welcome to today's broadcast. Today we're going to do an alignment on the 2020 Pro XP here.
Yeah, dude.
If you watched the previous video, or one of the previous videos, you saw we did the new A-arms, and we just kind of went like, and looked at it and said, sure, it's aligned. Well, it's not, and we're gonna fix that today. We were gonna do it with T-squares and all that stuff. Dude decided to get this Highlifter alignment tool. So we're gonna use that, make our lives easier. I'll show you what comes with the kit. You already put it on the machine, but you get the 2 plates, an angle finder. Here's the other plate, and 2 tape measures. So, while like this, you can put the angle finder and you can see how many degrees you're off, and you can adjust your camber there, at least with these A-arms. If you have the factory ones, that's not going to be possible, but this is still a helpful tool for doing the toe measurements, because you can run your tape measure here, run it through. Originally, I think we saw this on Instagram and it looked pretty sweet, so we're gonna test it out on this machine and see how we like it, because this one's a little off. I think the driver's side is actually okay camber wise. This side, I don't even remember. It's way off. We gotta move it.
2 degrees.
2 degrees. Doing the camber is as simple as removing the hardware on your A-arms, and then we'll pop the arm down, loosen the jam nuts, which are already loose, and turn the pivot blocks out, because on this side we need the bottom of the tire to come out, top of the tire to come in some. So that's how you do that. According to the internet, because the internet's always right. And, well, actually, the A-arms are super UTV, and it's on their website to avoid doing the camber set on the ground, which you can't really do with this type of setup. You can subtract 2 degrees. So we want, or add 2 degrees, whatever. Point is, we want -2 to 3 degrees camber. So we're going to set it, we're gonna shoot for a 1/2 degree, because that's what the other side's already at, and that should get us where we need to be.
So what do we say?
So
2
full turns is 1 degree. That's what I was just about to tell the camera too, so thanks for asking.
Yeah.
That's not our mathematics, that's also on from Super ATV.
Okay. Yeah?
You telling me?
Golden, dude. Oh. 6 degrees.
A lot of boring math later.
Starting to get dialed in now. We're closing in on a 1/2 degree. And then once we confirm that, we'll be on to the toe measurements. What'd it say?
Said. 0.9. 0.9.
Final numbers. We got a 0.7, 0.9. We're gonna roll with that for now, and then do the toe adjustments. Put it back together, set it on the ground, and see if we're way off. The little angle finder, we found you gotta turn it off and then back on, because it's not wanting to repeat.
Yeah, that's for the back.
Yeah, keep it somewhat haggard.
Once you got your camber set where you think it should be, you can torque the A-arms back down, and then we're not doing it right now, but if it's something you can adjust, you'll throw a little Loctite on the jam nut and snug that down. But for right now, we're just gonna torque these bolts and move on to the toe adjustments.
You need a fucking better tool, man. Not happening, Jack. Deep well? You got a deep well? Quarter turn. That's it?
That's it.
That's it. Torque.
Well, dude, you had it in the second setting. What do you expect? We're on to the toe adjustment. The two plates, I guess you'd call them. These here.
That's it.
We got to get them level, and we have to get the steering wheel straight and level before we start this. What's with all the giggling? Daisy, come on. I'm recording. Can't you see that?
Boom. 0.
We're gonna use this clamp to hold this side level, because when we do this side will move.
Yeah, Daisy, you want to help? Yeah, Daisy. Help me. Come on. Get your shit together.
We're ready for the toe measurements. So what's cool is one side slotted. You can just slide the provided tape measure through in the front. Then it'll feed it through the back. Same system.
There, you got your numbers.
And you can see that we're towed way in. Using simple mathematics, and let me warn you, we are not mathematicians, but we know some simple mathematics. We've come to realize we're towed in 9/16, and we need to be at an 1/8. So using a calculator, we'll find that number and make that adjustment. So with the back here being too far out, front being too far in, we're gonna draw the tie rods in, and you want to do even turns on both sides till you get the desired number.
Oh, that's crazy. Crazy.
We're about dead nuts at 56 3/8 front and back. So dude here is making the very fine adjustment to get us an 1/8 inch in on the front. Oh, you just got a moonshot. Sorry about that.
Yeah. Get it.
A little more. A little more. I mean, you're like right there. All right. So.
Yeah, I mean, that was probably within a half turn.
So we're at 56 7/16 there. 56 5/16 there. The calculator says that's an 1/8 inch. So we're at an 1/8 inch toe in. So we're gonna leave it at that, and now we can put it back together. Yeah.
Go get a Euro loaf, man.
that's it for the alignment. It's that simple. Action. It was very easy, simple to do. As you saw, you can do it by yourself. I barely even touched anything. Dude was able to do a full alignment by himself in a garage using that tool, so I would recommend it. I like the fact that those plates bolt to the hubs versus putting squares on off-road tires. You know, if you do the math, set it up to where you should be camber wise, if you can even adjust camber. If you still have stock A-arms, you can't do that. But if you account for the machine being at the suspension on the machine being at full drop, do that math, which is just 2 degrees. It's very simple. Dude, you bought it. You recommend it?
Sure.
Well, now that the alignment's done, the somewhat haggard alignment specialists are taking it for a test drive. See how she handles.
The battery's dead.
Are you serious? It's
That was, right?
Yeah.
Killed it.
never mind for now. They the alignment specialists were gonna test drive it, but somehow they killed the battery. So now they're not. To be continued. Maybe, or this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Okay.
Hello. Welcome to today's I already Dude, you're not even.
Oh God.
Jesus Christ. Oh.